Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of the National Atomic Testing Museum. My goal today was to inform you about the complex history, technology, and culture impact of the nuclear testing in the United States. We began our journey with Exhibit A, the Trinity Test, which introduced us to the first ever detonation of an atomic bomb, marking the start of the nuclear age and showcasing the monumental scientific efforts of the Manhattan Project. Then we moved on to Exhibit B, the Ground Zero Theater simulation, where we experienced what it might have felt like to witness a nuclear test using sensory effects and historical footage to immerse visitors in the emotional and physical power of these weapons. Finally, in Exhibit C, we examine Cold War era memorabilia, including survival supplies such as military rations, water cans, and armbands. These artifacts showed how nuclear fear shaped daily life, media, and preparedness during these tense historical period. Now that you've seen how deeply nuclear testing has impacted science, history, and everyday life, I encourage you to think critically about the legacy these events left behind. Consider how today's decisions about nuclear weapons, global conflict, and peace efforts are still influenced by what we have learned during these testing years. The National Atomic Testing Museum doesn't just preserve history, it invites us to reflect on how past decisions continue to echo in our world today. I hope this tour has sparked your curiosity and gave you a deeper appreciation for the power and often unsettling nature of the atomic age. Thank you again for joining me.